The Oklahoma Master Irrigator Program is an OSU extension program provided in partnership with the Oklahoma Water Resources Center. This program provides producers with advanced training in irrigation water management, irrigation system and equipment maintenance, water conservation, and the economics of irrigated agriculture. The program includes classroom training, peer-to-peer exchange of information between producers, field demonstrations, and free irrigation system audits provided by the OSU Mobile Irrigation Laboratory. The Oklahoma Master Irrigator Program provides a place for producers to learn new skills and technologies from industry experts. Instructors include extension and irrigation specialists, economists from OSU and adjoining states, producers, crop consultants, and USDA Natural Resources Conservation Service personnel. The goal of the program is to facilitate improved water use efficiency and farm income through increased farmer adoption of advanced water management strategies and technologies. Registration cost is $100, and program graduates will be eligible for reimbursements on purchase of irrigation sensors and soil moisture sensors, free of charge energy and irrigation system efficiency audits, and enhanced access to EQIP funding. To learn more about the Oklahoma Master Irrigator Program, or to sign up for the next session, visit extension.okstate.edu/programs/master-irrigator.